Welcome back, hackers. Let's get into it. You've been spending a lot of time learning about paddings and margins. Today we are going to have a smaller lesson to give us some breathing room, and it's going to be about text align. Now, text align is a way that we can change the positioning of our text in our paragraphs. So you see on the screen here I have a paragraph of text, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using some CSS to change the alignment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my paragraph like always in CSS, and then use the mustache brackets. Then I'm going to use a property of text align. So I can use text align right, and let's see what happens. So now you'll notice that my text from this test paragraph moved from the left to the right, which is awesome. I can also use another one, which is text align center. These are going to be the most common ones that you're going to see. You're going to see text align right, text align center, moves it into the center of the screen here. And then you can have text align left, which would be here. Now, but what we want to do is we want to use this with classes. A lot of programming frameworks or CSS frameworks that you'll see will have some specific classes on text alignment, and a very common one would be to do something like this, to create a class called left, where you have just in it you have text align left, then you have right, text align right, then you would have center, text align center. So what this allows you to do is it allows you to quickly create paragraphs like so, and then in here I can have text align class equals right. Let's move this out a little bit. This one is going to be left. By default it's going to be left, and then I'm going to have text align class equals center. So now you can see that I'm changing the positioning of the alignment of this text. Left over here, right, and then center. Now we're going to be going a little bit more into positioning of different divisions and sections. This is specifically, text align is specifically for the text, a text within a paragraph, a text within a heading, a text within a span. Well, span wouldn't count, but this is specifically for the text. We're not talking about the positioning of a whole block. That is going to be in another video, which we're going to be getting to. We're building block up to it, right? So here is our challenge for the day. Our challenge for today is a time challenge again. So I want you to get out a stopwatch. You can do this on your phone, and then you're gonna start your timer. Then I want you to create 3 paragraphs, just like how I did. Have paragraph 1 aligned to the right, have paragraph 2 aligned to the left, have paragraph 3 aligned to the center. Then stop your timer and write down your time. Then I want you to delete everything that you did. Delete all your HTML, delete all your CSS, and do this 3 more times. The same process, starting the timer, creating the code, stopping the timer. And what I want to see is I want to see if you are improving in how quickly you're able to do this. This is something that we've done before, nothing new. We know how to create classes, we know how to create paragraphs. It's just showing you this text align and how we can align items to the left and the right of the screen. Keep coding. Coding is not that hard. You got this, and I will see you in the next lesson.